Is the guy done crying?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Mom, can you hear me? Yeah. They loved it, Mom. I'm going to Vegas.
That's the kind of guy you like, mama boy like that?
No.
Got a bear named Buddy? This guy got a big beard. He looks like somebody's teddy bear.
So Neil is one step closer to fulfilling his dream. Just as travel on to the next scene, they can't stop thinking about his performance.
Yeah.